Too busy to cook but still want to lose weight? Today I'll show you real meal prep that works for busy professionals with no time to waste. Long hours, endless meetings, and a packed calendar. Your health is often the first thing to go. You grab whatever's quick, promising to do better tomorrow. But the cycle repeats. The solution isn't more hours, it's smarter cooking. Meal prep isn't about spending your weekend in the kitchen, it's about efficient, strategic cooking that sets you up for the week. Today we'll walk through 5 vibrant, flavorful recipes designed for weight loss and a busy life. These dishes are your secret weapon against takeout and energy slumps. Let's get in the kitchen and prove you can achieve your goals without sacrificing your health. Let's kick off with the Chili Lime Chicken Grain Box, a true workweek game changer. This meal is designed for anyone who wants to eat well, save time, and feel energized all week long. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone looking to simplify healthy eating, this recipe is about to become your new favorite. Start with lean chicken breasts, marinated in fresh lime juice, chili powder, cumin, garlic, and smoked paprika. The combination of zesty lime and smoky spices creates a bold, vibrant flavor that wakes up your taste buds and makes healthy eating exciting. This quick marinade infuses flavor and keeps the chicken juicy. Just 15 to 20 minutes is enough for the chicken to soak up all those delicious spices. But if you have more time, let it marinate overnight for even deeper flavor. While the chicken soaks up those spices, cook quinoa, your base of balanced carbs and protein. Quinoa is a powerhouse grain, naturally gluten-free and packed with fiber, making it perfect for sustained energy throughout your day. Use broth instead of water for extra flavor. Meanwhile, prep your veggies. Dice red bell peppers, rinse black beans, and get everything ready for a colorful, nutrient-rich bowl. Add corn for sweetness and crunch. The combination of sweet corn, crisp peppers, and hearty black beans not only adds texture, but also a rainbow of vitamins and minerals to your lunch. Every ingredient is chosen for taste and nutrition. This isn't just about filling your lunchbox, it's about fueling your body with what it needs to thrive, keeping you full and focused for hours. Sear the marinated chicken in a hot pan until golden and cooked through, then let it rest before slicing. Searing locks in the juices and gives the chicken a beautiful, appetizing color. Letting it rest ensures every bite stays tender and moist. Now, it's time to assemble. Start by layering fluffy quinoa in your meal prep containers, creating a hearty base that will keep you satisfied. Top with the veggie mix, red bell peppers, black beans, and corn, spreading them evenly for a burst of color and nutrition in every bite. Arrange the sliced chicken on top, letting the juices mingle with the grains and veggies below. Each layer adds its own flavor and texture, making every forkful interesting. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lime and a drizzle of olive oil for a touch of richness, or if you like, pack a small container of homemade lime vinaigrette to keep things extra fresh and zesty until lunchtime. For an extra pop of flavor, sprinkle some fresh cilantro or green onions on top just before eating. These little touches make your lunch feel special and restaurant-worthy. In under 30 minutes, you've prepped 4 or 5 balanced lunches. That's almost a whole work week of healthy meals, ready to grab and go. No more last-minute takeout or energy crashes. You'll have a delicious, nourishing meal waiting for you, no matter how busy your day gets. This is efficient, effective meal prep, fuel for your week, not just food. It's about taking control of your nutrition and setting yourself up for success, one meal at a time. When you open this at your desk, you're not just eating, you're keeping a promise to yourself. You're choosing energy, focus, and well-being over convenience food and afternoon slumps. The Chili Lime Chicken Grain Box is more than just a meal. It's your foundation for a successful, energized week. With every bite, you're investing in your health, your productivity, and your peace of mind. After a long, demanding day, the last thing you want is to spend hours in the kitchen. You need dinner on the table fast, but you also want something that's nourishing and full of flavor. A meal that feels like a reward, not a compromise. That's where this garlic shrimp veggie skillet comes in. It's the perfect answer for busy weeknights, quick to make, packed with nutrients, and bursting with taste. You don't have to choose between convenience and eating well. Enter the garlic shrimp veggie skillet, a dish that's light, satisfying, and comes together in a flash. It's a one-pan wonder that delivers on every front: speed, simplicity, and deliciousness. Start with raw peeled shrimp, pat them dry with a paper towel to ensure you get that perfect golden sear. This step is key for locking in flavor and getting that irresistible texture. The flavor base is simple but powerful: freshly minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes. The garlic infuses the oil, while the pepper flakes add just the right amount of gentle heat. For the vegetables, choose broccoli florets and sliced zucchini. Cut them into even pieces so they cook quickly and evenly. These veggies not only add color and crunch, but also boost the nutritional value of your meal. Heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sauté the broccoli first, until it turns a vibrant green and starts to soften. Then, add the zucchini. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait for dinner. Push the veggies to the side of the pan, add a touch more oil if needed, and lay the shrimp in a single layer. This ensures each piece cooks evenly and gets that beautiful sear. Sear the shrimp for about a minute, just until they start to turn pink. Then, sprinkle in the garlic and red pepper flakes, letting the flavors bloom and coat the shrimp. Toss everything together in the skillet. The shrimp finish cooking in just a couple of minutes, soaking up all the garlicky, spicy goodness. The veggies stay crisp tender, making every bite satisfying. To finish, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the skillet and sprinkle with chopped parsley. The lemon brightens the dish, while the parsley adds a fresh herby note. The best part? This entire meal comes together in under 15 minutes. Quicker than waiting for takeout, and infinitely better for you. It's a healthy home-cooked dinner that fits into even the busiest schedule. Serve it straight from the skillet for a low-carb, high-protein dinner, or pair it with leftover quinoa, brown rice, or even a slice of crusty bread for a more filling meal. This recipe is incredibly adaptable. Double the batch for meal prep, or swap in your favorite seasonal veggies. It's packed with lean protein, fiber, and vitamins, helping you stay on track with your health goals, whether you're training for a race or just trying to eat better. The garlic shrimp veggie skillet. Simple, speedy, and so satisfying. Make it your new weeknight weapon and enjoy a delicious, healthy dinner any night of the week. Mornings are chaos, but breakfast doesn't have to be. Whether you're juggling emails, getting the kids ready, or just trying to get out the door on time, it's easy to let a healthy breakfast slip through the cracks. But fueling your day right doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Enter Protein Egg and Veg Breakfast Squares, the ultimate grab-and-go solution for busy mornings. These squares are designed to make your life easier, giving you a nutritious, satisfying breakfast that's ready whenever you are. Start by whisking a dozen eggs in a large bowl. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein and nutrients, making them the perfect base for a breakfast that will keep you energized all morning. Next, add in a generous helping of sautéed spinach, colorful bell peppers, and finely chopped onions. These veggies not only add flavor and texture, but also pack in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Sauté your veggies first to bring out their natural sweetness, and to avoid soggy squares. This step makes all the difference in taste and texture. Then, sprinkle in some crumbled feta for a tangy kick, or toss in diced turkey sausage if you want an extra boost of protein and savory flavor. You can even mix in both for a heartier option. Pour the colorful protein-packed mixture into a lined baking dish. Pop it in the oven and bake until the eggs are set and the top is lightly golden. Let it cool for a few minutes. Then slice into neat squares. Each piece is loaded with flavor and nutrition. Store your breakfast squares in the fridge for up to 5 days. They're perfect for meal prep. Just stack them in containers, and you're set for the week. In the morning, simply grab a square and go. Eat it cold straight from the fridge, or pop it in the microwave for a warm, comforting start to your day. No more skipping breakfast or reaching for sugary pastries that leave you hungry an hour later. These squares are a smarter, healthier choice. Each square is protein-packed, portable, and keeps you full until lunch. They're easy to customize with your favorite veggies, cheeses, or meats. With just one batch, your breakfasts are sorted for the entire week. It's meal prep made simple, and mornings made stress-free. Start your day strong, feel energized, and take on whatever comes your way. This is how you win the morning. Office lunches can be a minefield. Beat the midday slump with the Mediterranean turkey chickpea bowl. Brown lean ground turkey in a skillet, seasoning with oregano, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Add canned, rinsed chickpeas for plant-based protein and fiber. Prep veggies that hold up diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. Whisk up a quick lemon tahini dressing. Tahini, lemon juice, water, garlic, salt, and pepper. Assemble turkey, chickpeas, veggies, and drizzle with dressing. Eat hot or cold. perfect for unpredictable workdays. This bowl is colorful, filling, and packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. It's a world away from boring salads or soggy sandwiches. The Mediterranean turkey chickpea bowl, a vibrant, practical lunch for busy professionals. Craving comfort food without the guilt? Try the yogurt herb chicken tray bake. Marinate bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs in Greek yogurt, fresh herbs, garlic, lemon, salt, and pepper. The yogurt tenderizes and flavors the chicken, creating a delicious crust. On a baking sheet, toss sweet potato chunks and red onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Nestle the marinated chicken among the veggies. Bake at 400 °C, 200 °C, for about 40 minutes. Minimal prep, minimal cleanup. The result: crispy-skinned, juicy chicken and caramelized veggies, all in one pan. Portion into containers for easy dinners all week. It reheats beautifully and feels like a Sunday roast, any night of the week. Comfort food, redefined for your goals. There you have it, 5 delicious, effective meals for your busy life, all ready to go. From energizing grain boxes to grab-and-go breakfasts, you're set for the week ahead with ease. This isn't just meal prep, it's a system for success and a foundation for healthy habits. You've eliminated decision fatigue and guaranteed high-quality fuel for your body every single day. Start with 1 or 2 recipes, build your routine, and watch your results grow over time. Consistency is key. Make these meals your new standard. You're in control of your nutrition. Like, subscribe, and check out our Meal Prep for Busy Professionals playlist for more fast, healthy ideas and inspiration.